Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another how-to video. Now this one is a bit of an emergency repair and we're going to have a look at how we're fixing the drainage issue at my shed. As you saw in the video before, we had some issues with the shed flooding, and you can have a look at my vlog 35 to see more video of that. And we've investigated why the drain didn't really work, and it appeared to be blocked. And when we dug it up, we found a hole there which was covered up with that piece. I've got a feeling the ag line that they've connected to it is not really draining out there like it's supposed to. I'm just going to cut that piece off, put a 45-degree bend on it, and then run a drain down there. Now here we go, this is what one side looks like now once we've fixed it. If you remember earlier, this bit here was broken, so I cut that off and I bought a 45-degree joiner, which you can see there, and I've put a 3-metre length of PVC pipe that runs slightly downhill. Now the cost of this is pretty good. That joiner there was like $1.80, and that length of pipe, which is 3 metres by 90 millimetres, was $13. So for $15 a side, we have now fixed the drainage issue for my shed. I will show you what it looks like when it's all finished. I've trimmed the end of it there at an angle, and it just runs slightly downhill from the shed, so the water drains from the drainage channel, runs to that pipe, and then it will just run out there and go off into the paddock. And we're doing the exact same on the other side. Again, that part there was broken, if you remember that from the video, and I've joined a little piece on there, that little offcut, put our $1.80 45-degree bend on, and there's our $13 pipe, which I'm about to cut at an angle and put into our newly dug trench. Yep, spin it around the right way. Yep. Here we are, everything's been backfilled and it's looking quite neat. We just have to wait for the grass to grow back, which shouldn't take too long. So this is where it comes out now, and we've made a bit of a natural drain here. So any water that comes down, instead of running into my shed, it runs down into the paddock there. I'm sure the horse won't mind. There's one of the dogs too, being friends. Anyway, so this is it. Very easy. Total cost for both sides was $30 and a little bit of digging. So if you enjoy these sort of videos, leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see more of this sort of stuff. In the meantime, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the dog, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.